Jonathan, thank you very much. This morning was really an eye-opener to me. Although I was shocked to discover what an incredible impact I have on the natural environment. I think all of us need to attend your training session in which you actually open our eyes about what we do to the natural environment. But the good news is there can be a good future. There can be a brilliant future for all of us. If we apply what you have learned us, if we can change our attitudes and think more about our impact, not only on the human economy, but also on the natural environment. Thank you very much.